I think one of the things that's definitely gaining more steam in the last 2 to 3 years, and especially now, is the focus on cost management, is this concept of going to that fourth rung in the ladder of preventative repairs. And so if you think about it, if you've mastered engagement communication, you've got scheduling efficiency down, you've got staffing efficiency, that means that you're effectively doing maintenance incredibly well, very efficiently, incredibly well. Now you can start really going into and leaning into preventative. So how do you know it's going well? You should start actually seeing a significantly more of your work volume start to be on the books before a resident tells you. And that means, it's indicative of your investors participating in the programs, you catching things ahead of time, as basically a means to limit how much reactive maintenance is happening versus the proactive.